Hello guys, because you asked for more nicely and I am bringing you more. It was shocking to some people when they realized Wizkid has a tattoo of his mom's name, Morayo, on his hand. But what I don't know is if he got this tattoo after her demise or before her demise. Fans of Wizkid, make una help me explain this one because it was pretty shocking for me because I haven't noticed it. Here we have Tony Elumelu greeting Wizkid's most senior baby mama, Jada P. Guys, everything about this video is so cute. Wizkid has a fantastic relationship with Tony Elumelu. Yes, he is. In fact, Tony Elumelu loves Nigerian musicians from Burna, Davido, Wizkid, Rema, because he used to have this fantastic Christmas party where he invites all these musicians to come and perform. So guess what? Wizkid got to introduce his sons to Tony Elumelu. Watch this closely. Did you hear what he said? These are the future. Oh well. That's my last son, like he said. We have Wizkid with his niece, and people are greeting him like you can see in the video. You just saw K1 sitting. I think this was after his performance. So this was after the funeral service. You can see them leaving the church. That's Wizkid and his first son Tife. They are almost the same height. Oh my god, Wizkid Bukwezibo small pin charger. Guys, did you see the movement of Wizkid's mouth? They say now 5 million in they asked for in this video. So maybe you can rewind and watch again. Omo, in the end, money is good though, my people. Money is good. Is the way people were touching him up and down for me, and he was really calm, taking lots of pictures. Really beautiful, I must say. When I say I cannot stand hype men at events, guys, this is it. Tell me why this hype man is singing over a song playing. Like, how is it a normal behavior? So let's have a roll call of some of your favorite celebrities, socialites, singers, monarchs, pilots, on-air personalities that were present at the final burial of the late Mrs. Juliana Morayo Balogun. All you need to do is sit back and relax. I don't want to talk through this. That's why I had to explain here. So enjoy. Is the way they were hailing my Lambo for me. Lambo! One thing about Miss Eke, she will always shine bright. Even in rooms that you think that are dark, she would always be seen and hailed. A trait that had made people so jealous of her. Well, it's not her fault, now Grace. So guys, it's time for picture stories. So let's take a look at some of the amazing faces that were at this event. I am pretty sure you are going to enjoy these photo slides. Let's start with Kim Oprah and Faith Murray. Then we have Kim Oprah and who is this? Okay, the CEO of what's the name? Hip TV. Here we have Jada P and Wizkid. We have Eniola Badmos and Kwam One. Then we have Eniola Badmos and Bad Boy Teams. You see, I didn't even know he was there. We have Eniola and Coco by Chloe, ex-Big Brother Naija Star. We have Eniola and the Obo of Ilegushi. And then we have Eniola and who I don't know. We have Eniola and Shayman. Then we have Eniola. I don't know who this gorgeous lady is. We have Eniola and Bimbo Thomas. Then we have Macy, Soso, and Osaz. We have Eniola, Macy, and Soso. So guys, here we have Eniola and Soso Berikon. For those of you who do not know who Soso is, he is a music executive. And here we have the gorgeous Tiwa and Eniola Badmos. I've seen lots of people saying, oh, Tiwa's dress is the perfect dress for every burial. And it made me laugh. I beg, do you expect everybody to wear boo-boo? Or I beg, go. So guys, let's gist about happenings. It looks like this burial has kind of made Wizkid more emotionally attached to his sons. So hey God, I mean his sons outside Zion. God, I thank you. Oh. Burial and Twitter dragging spices. I thank you. Oh. Ekelekwa munu, kelekwa onye ọbụla. Because I mean, this is a guy who never really cared. Like, he did things on his own. But this time, he has been acting really sweet. And hey, if I say I don't love it, that would be me lying and, living in denial. I love that he is more in tune with his emotions. And I think it's pretty amazing. It's a good thing. It's a good thing that he has decided to be a father to his children, not to Zion because of his relationship with his mother. So yes, guys, I mentioned, did I ever mention that Cross was at the burial? Yes, or rather Cross was at the reception. He spent quite some time before he went for an event later on. He no get a Shrebisha. That was Wizkid and his sisters you saw dancing at the Thanksgiving service that held today. This is Jada for the Thanksgiving service. And we have Shola and Wizkid's son. This is exactly how they dressed to the Thanksgiving service that held today at Redeemed Church. So guys, in the past, I'm somebody who is highly critical of Wizkid, especially his parenting style. I've always felt he wasn't a good father to his children outside the ones he has with his present manager, who is his baby mama Jada P. But there's something Wizkid has been doing which I find commendable, and I must say it. When Wizkid in the past has tweeted and implied that he is irreligious, that is, he's neither Muslim or Christian, you understand? But seeing him participate fully in religious activities that involve his mom's, funeral rites is pretty encouraging. It's pretty beautiful. There are people that will say, oh no, I don't believe in that. I don't believe, but look at him from the service of songs down to the funeral mass and today the Thanksgiving service. I mean, I give it to him. I have always been of the opinion that if you respect and love your parents, if you know what made them happy during their life, if it's their church, if it's their women association or anything that they truly believed in, I mean, when they are gone, don't try to change that. Don't try to say, oh no, I'm not going to do this. You just need to do it for their sake. Yes, that has always been my belief. So Wizkid has done this and I commend him. Like for this one, he tried. But as for being a premium papa, make I dey observe him now. Make we see. But one thing I know is that his mom's demise is going to change a lot about him. Could be for the good, hopefully for the good, because people don't remain the same after such whatever. So guys, that's enough. I have talked so much, and maybe I might do like a fashion slides, because the fashion parade that went on at this reception, e hold, e choke, e jig, you would love to see it, trust me guys. And hey, do you want to see it? Just tell me yes, I want to see it. Let me know if I'll just end it on this Wizkid's topic, or if you want to see, just indicate. If I get like 10 yes from different people, I will run it.
Warn your waiters, warn your service people, all the guys in uniform standing by the tables. We don't